I just discovered this, which is the young deer. The tracks are here and heading back that way. This just happened. This must have just happened. I gotta find out what's going on. Okay, right here, that's a wolf paw. But this deer, it's just happened. Because this deer's still warm. Wolf paw there, and wolf paw right there. Right there. So, there's a bite mark on the neck, but I don't understand how, it's female, I think. Oh, here we go. All right. Okay, so it's confirmed. I found 2 wound marks on the neck. It was enough to bring her down. The deer was just brought down now. Probably just maybe an hour, not even an hour ago. No way. Within the hour. And please do not feel any hatred towards that wolf. It's got to eat. And it's all part of everything else. The ravens, the chickadees, the squirrels, they all come. All of them. The porcupines, they'll all come and eat from this kill, for sure. Yes, the porcupine will. It'll chew on the bones. So, and she just feeds the forest, and the wolf will feed the forest when he decides to leave the planet. Regardless, the point is it's all part of it. And I'm glad it was a wolf that took it down and not some human. Okay. Enough of that going on. So the little one is down there just in the hollow. This is actually the run pattern from here of the wolf. And the bizarre thing about this is there's only one. And it laid down here. Right there. Why? And it sat on this hill here. So it sat here. It probably heard me coming. Even though I was coming from the back. Well, I think I know where he is. But he's still here. I'll go so he can come back and eat. He's had a hard winter for sure. Yeah, that is no deer pad. That's a wolf pad right there. Yeah, for sure. Claws showing 4 toes. Stood there and heard me coming. And then ran down the hill over here. The wolves have been back. The tracks, this is to the kill site that took place about a month ago. There's wolf scat there. His tracks right there. And he came in from here. Now there's no sign of the body. The carcass of the deer is gone. But I'll probably find it in the spring in the snow. Let's go.